In today's fast paced business environment, sales performance management, or SPM, and incentive compensation play a critical role in driving revenue growth and ensuring sales teams remain motivated. However, managing these processes manually can be time consuming, error prone, and frustrating, leading to discrepancies in payouts, misaligned goals, and disengaged sales teams. Varicent is a leading sales performance management solution designed to help businesses automate and streamline commission calculations, sales performance tracking, and incentive planning. By providing advanced analytics, AI driven forecasting, and real time insights, Varicent enables organizations to optimize compensation strategies and maximize sales productivity. In this video, we'll dive into Varicent's key features, its benefits, and why it's an ideal choice for companies looking to improve their sales performance management and incentive compensation processes. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the automated incentive compensation management. Varicent replaces traditional spreadsheet based compensation tracking with a fully automated system that calculates commissions, adjusts incentives, and processes payouts efficiently. By integrating with CRM and ERP platforms, it ensures that sales data is accurately reflected in compensation plans without delays. This eliminates manual errors, reduces administrative workload, and ensures timely and transparent commission payments. Another key feature is the advanced sales analytics and performance insights. The platform provides real time dashboards, detailed performance reports, and customizable analytics tools to help businesses track sales trends, quota attainment, and individual performance metrics. This empowers sales managers with data driven insights to identify high performing reps, adjust incentive structures, and make informed business decisions. Another key feature is the AI driven sales forecasting and scenario planning. Varicent leverages artificial intelligence and predictive modeling to analyze historical data and forecast future sales performance. Businesses can run what if scenarios to test different compensation strategies before implementing them. This helps organizations optimize quota settings, improve revenue forecasting accuracy, and develop competitive incentive plans. Another key feature is the compliance and audit ready compensation management. Regulatory compliance is critical when managing sales compensation, and Varicent ensures all incentive plans align with financial regulations and company policies. With built in audit trails and approval workflows, businesses can track payout history, resolve disputes, and maintain transparency. This reduces compliance risks, enhances financial accountability, and ensures fair and consistent compensation practices. Another key feature is the gamification and real time sales tracking. To keep sales team motivated, Varicent includes gamification elements such as leaderboards, real time commission tracking, and performance based rewards. Sales reps can access their earnings data and progress through interactive dashboards. This encourages a competitive and goal oriented culture that drives higher sales performance. So, why is Varicent a great choice for sales performance and incentive management? Varicent is an industry leader in sales performance management, offering a powerful combination of automation, analytics, and scalability that sets it apart from traditional commission tracking methods. Businesses that adopt Varicent benefit from reduced administrative overhead, improved accuracy in incentive payouts, and increased sales team engagement. One of the key advantages of Varicent is its AI driven forecasting and scenario modeling, which helps organizations plan effective compensation strategies based on real data. This predictive approach allows sales teams to stay ahead of revenue trends and optimize incentive structures to maximize productivity. Additionally, Varicent's user-friendly interface and real-time tracking features give sales reps full visibility into their earnings, fostering a transparent and motivated sales environment. So, whether managing simple commission plans or highly complex incentive structures, Varicent's flexible and scalable framework ensures businesses remain competitive while rewarding their sales team effectively. So basically, Varicent is a comprehensive sales performance management solution that empowers businesses to automate incentive compensation, optimize sales strategies, and ensure compliance with financial regulations. By leveraging AI driven insights, real time analytics, and seamless integrations, companies can create a transparent, efficient, and motivating compensation system that drives revenue growth. So, if your organization is looking to eliminate manual commission tracking, enhance sales team productivity, and develop data driven incentive plans, Varicent is a smart investment. With its ability to scale, customize, and integrate with existing business tools, Varicent ensures that companies of all sizes can streamline sales compensation management and maximize sales success. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.